How to log in into your Greyt HR employee portal login. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your Greyt HR account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is make sure that you're on your web browser and you have your internet connection. After that, simply search for Greyt HR employee login, and there you'll find this website right here. Open that website up. You can directly head over to this website as well. Now right here you will see employee ID. Simply type in your employee ID and then your employee's password. Now make sure that your credentials match and then tap on the login button to log in into your account. You can also just tap on the forgot password if you've forgotten your password to reset it. And that's basically how you log in. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.